And as we mentioned at the top of the show this morning, it's already pretty warm out there.
Yeah, we've stayed close to 70 degrees through the night, and that's where we begin this morning with our temperatures. Also take a look at live pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Despite the heat and humidity yesterday, it was a quiet day weather-wise, and things will just slightly change for today. You can see south of Block Island right now, there's a couple of isolated downpours, and we have one near Nantucket as well this morning. It's actually pushing away from the island, so not thinking that this will come in and threaten our area here this morning. Kind of a sign, though, of a little bit of instability that's in the atmosphere for today, giving us a slight risk of a thunderstorm. I'm thinking areas north of Providence have a slightly higher risk of seeing one compared to other spots. And even though we do have that in the forecast for today, I'm not looking at anything severe. So a slight risk of a thunderstorm, mostly north and west of Providence, but looking at, again, not a severe outbreak of thunderstorms. Temperatures this morning, again, mostly around 70. Providence, New Bedford's at 70. Boston still at 73. Westerly's at 72. Newport 71. 66, one of the cooler spots. Smithfield this morning. Add in a light southerly wind and that high humidity, 93%, and it's been a pretty muggy night for sleeping without the help of any fans or air conditioning. High pressure still sitting to our south, still pumping in the heat and humidity. You can see the clockwise flow around that high. Storm staying off to our west today. Eventually, a cold front will move in, and our risk of seeing some storms will go up. That doesn't happen, though, till Friday. So prior to that, we're going to keep the warm, humid conditions for today with temperatures climbing quickly. So 70 now will be near 84 by 11 o'clock in the morning. Afternoon temperatures up near 90 again. Central Falls and Pawtucket 90 on the east side, 89 downtown. And they're thinking at the airport where our records are kept, we may come in close to 90, but maybe just shy of it. 89 there. Garden City near 90. Barrington at about 89. Along the coast temperatures 82 in Newport, Westerly 84, 90 Hope Valley, Northwest Rhode Island you're near 90 degrees and with an isolated thunderstorm possible. And then southeastern Massachusetts upper 80s to near 90 degrees for that high temperature. Warm with patchy fog at the beach, 82 for the air temperature, water temperature 72. High tides just before 11 o'clock this morning. 7-day future cast down to 70 overnight tonight, 85 for the high tomorrow. Inland areas, upper 70s at the beaches. Again, a little bit of fog possible in the morning. Thursday looks warm, humid and dry near 83. Friday, cold fronts approaching. We'll have a chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Forecast for the weekend hinges on whether that cold front stalls out over our area. It'll weaken as it does, so not a washout, but there may be a spot shower around both Saturday and possibly into Sunday.